Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Kentucky. So first, you may want to head over to drive.ky.gov. Next is scroll down, then click on First Issue Once. Now before we proceed in scheduling an appointment, first you have to know what are the requirements and what do you need to apply for a KY driver's license. So first is of course one proof of identity document. So by clicking on this button, you can see a list of the valid proof documents that you can bring with you. And of course, you're going to need one proof of social security number, one proof of the applicant's Kentucky residency dated less than 1 year, and one name change document, just in case that you have had changes on your name. And for persons under 18, a school compliance verification form issued by their school. Now scrolling down, you can see steps to obtain a license, but depending on your age. So for under age 18, here are the requirements in obtaining your license. So drivers under 18 must complete 3 phases of licensing: a learner's permit, intermediate license, and a full unrestricted license. You can visit Graduated Driver License Program page for steps to obtain a license for anyone 15 to 17 years old. Now, if you're over age 18, here are the requirements. You also have here those who are over age 21, and for those transferring from another state, for non-US citizen and veterans designation. So now we can try and look for requirements for over age 21. Now the first step is schedule an appointment with the Kentucky State Police to take the written and vision test to apply for a permit. So to schedule a written and vision test appointment, all you have to do is click and follow this link. And from this page, scroll down, then click on Schedule Appointment. Start by filling out details about your appointment. Of course, you're going to pick driver license, road test appointments, or depending on the test that you're going to need. Also choose your appointment location, date and time, and your applicant information. Also, make sure that you bring the required documents listed above with you to your KSP appointment. Once you pass the written and vision tests, you will then get in line with the regional office to apply for your permit credential. You will be issued a temporary permit printed on paper to use until the credential arrives in the mail. You must hold the permit for 30 days before you are eligible to take the road test. And during this time, all permit holders must have a licensed driver aged 21 years or older in the passenger seat while driving. So the step 2 is getting your full unrestricted license. After holding the permit for 30 days, you may schedule an appointment once again in the Kentucky State Police.ky.gov. So schedule an appointment, and now you're going to pick the appointment for road test. So click on this. Once again, choose an appointment location, date and time, and your applicant information. Now, once you pass the test, you should then be able to get your full unrestricted driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!